You can wear it as a crop top like this. You can be wear it as a sleeveless shirt as well. Beautiful red dress. It's a short one piece. Wear it as a dress as well if you want to wear it as a skirt. The beach wear, I would say, if you want to go out, and it has a really nice print on the back as well. The bottom's broad so that the thighs look thinner. It is so light that it will get bounced. Free size shirt, anybody can wear it. A lilac color, which is very in right now. So this will cost you around 1750. It's a Korean pants. It has been patched work. It is not printed. Tight shorts, blue denims, long boil bottom pants. You can go with any of the things.
So let's meet the designer of Pitasha. So Moksha, tell us how does this brand work?
There was only one vision that we have to customize outfits according to the clients.
Great.
Because there is a lot of things which comes in the mind of client, like ye ho paega nahi, how it is going to be there. Like
Okay.
we are like whoever comes into a studio and they are like they have a vision or a story, or I want to make like this, I want to make like that. So we are here to expertise them and tell them like how we can do in a better manner and make them look much better. So, and again there is one more thing, that how they want it in a particular budget. Like this is the main reason why people think about like before going to a designer studio.
Yeah, they obviously have a mindset that designer outfits are like expensive outfits or something.
So that is what our vision was. Ki firstly, like when client comes to our studio, they feel like, what is the price for this? What is the price for that? They ask a lot of questions. They are like they are very scared. Like I don't want to spend a lot of things. So I'm like we thought about a thing like we need to get it customized according to their budget. So it is very good for them as well to spend it, and they will think, yeah, I can go one more time over here and spend a thing where I know I can get the confidence in a client. Like if they'll wear it, they'll feel confident what they are wearing. So again, it depends on what kind of designs they want, what kind of things can look good on them as well. So we can even change the design slightly so that they can look much better in what they are going to wear.
Like you told me before, like according to their like face colors, according to your body structure, you also do suggest them that what would look good on them.
100%.
According to that.
Yes.
So we'll look at the designer outfits and show you whatever she's designed and give you the pricing and everything as well. So let's go to the main video.
So now here we are with ready to wear collection. This is our ready to wear collection which comes for every month. You'll see some new things coming out. So this is first. This is a singlet top. It is used in two ways. This is very interesting thing. Like this can be worn like this, and this can be worn like this as well.
Nice.
So it's a very beautiful piece. If you are not in a mood to wear whole black, you can go for two things in two colors like this.
Great.
So this will cost you around 2150.
Okay.
In that, if you'll see one more thing, we have a really nice abstract print top. It comes with some bead work on the neckline, if you can see.
Nice.
And it has the adjustable straps as well, if you can see. Then it can be like, if you don't want to wear some deep necks or anything, you can just pull it off and take it according to yourself. And it has a really nice lace that has been put it into the bottom.
Nice.
And it will cost you around 1550 only.
Nice.
Yeah, now this is also a really nice piece. It's again an abstract print. It has a lining inside. If you can see, it has been made with lining inside, with fully finished lining.
Nice.
It has elastic from the back, so the fitting will be done very nicely on the body. And if you'll see the detailing, we have given a braids, fabric braids, and we have just put it the strings back so that it will give a really nice effect to the top.
Nice.
So this is for 2150 again.
Okay.
If you'll see this shirt, it's a mull cotton, and it has a beautiful embroidery on the sleeves, and there is one addition, it has a detailing on the back as well.
Nice.
So nowadays, if you'll see, people wear oversized shirts with the shorts and all, so you can pair it up with that. And the pricing for this is 1950.
Okay. What about the sizing and fitting for these?
This one,
Are they like one size or fitting something?
the free size only.
Free size.
Yeah. So this is the top. It's a cotton embroidered top with a different darts. If you'll see, the darts has been given from different sides. See here, and it has a nice collar effect here. It gives a really nice effect, and we have patched the embroidered patch over here. If you can see the flowers, artificial flowers over here.
Nice.
Yeah, and back effect is like a shirt.
Oh, nice.
So if you want to wear a comfortable, like traveling outfits or something like that, you can go for this as well. This is for 1850.
Okay.
It's a designer top. It comes with a belt. It has a one shoulder thing. Like it will come like this.
Yeah.
It will go from one shoulder. It will go off the
Okay.
shoulder from the second side.
Okay.
And it has a really nice, beautiful leather belt. If you can see.
Nice.
But this size will only come for S and M, not more than that, because it has some specific fittings. And this will cost around 2150. So now we have a beautiful heart embroidered shirt. It has a nice crochet made embroidered patchwork. If you can see from the close, it has been patched work. It has not printed.
Nice.
Yeah. So this is a really nice concept. We can wear it with shorts. We can wear it with any of the things, jeans and all, skirts. So this will cost you around 2250.
Okay.
So this is a pure mull fabric. It's a printed mull fabric. If you can see, it's a very thin fabric like this. It's a regular shirt. It will cost you around 1550.
Nice.
And it's a free size. Any size can wear it.
Okay.
So this is a styling with a sweater right now. So it's a
Korean
knitwear. Yeah, it's a
Korean
knit.
look, yeah.
So it's a knitwear shirt. It comes with a sweater attached with it. If we can see from the sides, it has been stitched from here.
Nice.
Just an effect of a sweater. You're wearing a sweater. And if you'll see from the back, it's just like that.
Nice. Does it have like?
Yeah, it has sweater cuffs as well. So it will cost you around 1850 only.
Nice.
So this is again a mull silk fabric. If you'll see, it has been got printed and textured by itself in the fabric.
Yeah. Nice.
And it's a short sleeves, puff sleeves. It's elbow sleeves. And it's an oversized free size shirt. So it will cost you around 1550 only.
Bell sleeves.
Now this is a very trendy color, I would say, for the young girls, and most probably they would love to have the striped
Yeah,
shirts.
pair it with like
Yes,
white
pair it
shorts
with
or
white
something.
shorts, blue denims,
Nice.
long well bottom pants. You can go with any of the things,
Yeah.
and
Well-
any of the size can be worn by this. So it will cost you around 2150. This is again a stretchy material on the top. Now there is two ways to wear it. You can wear it as a crop top like this, only a single piece, and this can be removed. This is detachable, and this can be wear it as a sleeveless shirt as well. So it's a very nice concept to wear it anywhere according to your comfortness.
So
So
the crop top also separately.
yeah. So this is only the crop top you can wear it as. So this will cost you around 2150 only.
Nice.
Modal satin shirt. If you can see, there are a crumpled effect on the sleeves, and it is a really nice pickup for ladies, I would say, who are very comfortable in shirts. And it has a nice detailing with the buttons as well. If you can see the nice color of the buttons in it.
Yeah.
And it's a free size shirt, and this will cost you around 2200.
Okay.
Now this is 100% a party wear shirt. It's a crop top shirt modified with a shirt, like normal size everybody wears it, but when it comes to crop top, it comes for a younger age, I would say. So it's a like small, medium, large can wear this. and it has a really nice detailing on the sides. If you can see, there is a leather patch has been given over here,
Nice.
and it has a really nice prints on the back as well.
Nice funky look.
Yes, 100% stylish, and this will cost you around 2350.
Nice.
And the material is very nice. It's a cotton material only, so it is very breathable. A free size shirt, anybody can wear it. Now this is first of all. Second thing, there is a really nice detailing on the collar. It's a very knitwear woolen fabric which has been crocheted, been done while pattern making. So it has been made with different colors in this, and it has a really nice patch pocket with a contrast color of buttons so that it enhances the whole look of the shirt.
Nice.
So this is for just a minute. This is for 2050 only.
Nice.
And this is a nice cotton shirt. It is an oversized shirt. Anybody can wear it, and mostly it has a wooden buttons. If you can see the wooden buttons over it,
Nice.
and this is costing around 7750. So yeah, now this is a crop top for the ladies. It is like specially been padded so that if it is backless like this from the back,
Yeah.
so that you don't have to wear and you don't have to worry about the inners. What you have to wear for this, and this is for 1250. Plus there is a designing like it has been made with. If you'll just remove the knot, it will become a really straight top like this. Yeah, it will be a straight top like this. What you have to do is you just have to pull the strings upwards, so it will create a really nice neckline from here.
Nice.
Yes, and it will cost you around again 1250. Now this is a really nice georgette top. So this will come like this. It's off shoulder top, and it has a really nice textured like self pleated fabric, and it has been elasticated from the waistline so that it enhances the waistline as well. So it costs you around 1350. This is again a crop top. It comes with off shoulder again like this. It goes cross way so that it enhances your chest area as well, and it gives a really nice vest lines forming on your chest as well. On the back it's really normal, and if you'll see the sleeves, it has a full sleeves, and it will create a balloon sleeves and the flared from the bottom.
Nice.
So it will cost you around 1250. Now again, this is a top. It's very nice, very subtle, very light. If you will see, it's very nice and wearing as well. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with skirts, you can wear it with trousers, anything you can pair it up with.
Is this one also free size because of the
Yeah,
stretch?
yeah, it's a free size, fully stretchable if you can see, but it can come till XL only because it is
Okay.
made with M size.
Okay.
So, and it will cost you around 1250. Now again, this is a top. It has really nice pleats on the sleeves. If you can see, when you'll wear it, it will create some balloon like this. And it has a ombre effect in the top.
Nice.
It is again a stretchable fabric. It can come up to L size. Yeah.
Nice.
And it cost around 1650. Now we'll start with dresses. So it's a really nice, cute dress. If you might have heard about the movie Jab We Met, you can just consider this dress with it. So it has a really nice denim fabric over here, and it's a pure cotton fabric in the bottom. It has been blended with two of the fabrics and made a nice design. This is for 2250,
Nice.
and the back is like this. This is a very cute tube dress, I would say. It's a very nice cute tube dress. It has been elasticated. It has been given a smoking effect here so that it gets fitted according to the body shape, and it has been given a layered skirt effect in the dress itself. So it gives a really nice look to the younger ones who are like around 15 to 25 age, so they can just wear it for the parties and all. So this will cost you around 1050 only. Now this is one beautiful red dress. It's a short one piece. It has a nice plunging neck, if you can see. And one more thing in addition to this is we have pads into it already, so you don't have to worry about the inners as well again. And it will cost you around 1050 only.
Nice.
Modification in that dress as well, like we have a polo neck over here with the short sleeves. Somebody who are like not willing to wear sleeveless, so we'll go for some sleeves and all that stuff, so we have designed this as well. So we have two colors in this. I'll show you. Firstly, we have one brown and we have one black, and this will cost around 1050. So now this is a beautiful short dress. If you are going for a vacation or something like that, or if you are a really nice outing person, then you should pick this up. This is only for 1250. It has been lined with the lining also. If you can see, it is not only the single layer, it has lined with a lining as well. This is the front and this is the back. Now this is a vacay mode dress. If you can see, it's a very beautiful crochet made knitwear fabric over here. Yes, and if you can see in the bottoms, we have made some layers and we have given a beautiful pom-pom lace in between so that it can enhance dress really well.
Nice.
And if you can see the neckline and the strings, you'll see some threads as well, like tassels, beautiful tassels matching to the dresses. So this will cost you around 2150. Now this is very interesting dress. I'll show you how it is going to be. Now you can wear it two ways. You can just wear the oversized shirt, or else if you are going out, you should be wearing it with a skirt, which will come. See this? You just have to wear a skirt over this.
Nice.
Yeah. So if you just want to wear a t-shirt, you can wear it as a dress as well if you want to wear it as a skirt. But this will come only for S&M size.
Okay, this
Not
is
more.
oversized fit.
Oversized?
Is this a oversized fit?
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
oversized
Yeah.
fit, but only for S&M size.
Yeah.
And this will cost you around 2450, the whole set. Now this is a really nice frock. It comes near the knee length and it has a really short sleeves, like elbow sleeves if you can say, or a mid arm sleeves. It has a slight gathers coming on the hem of the sleeves. It will create a really nice balloon sleeves, and it has a shirt style effect given in the dress till the waistline. But when you are very like casually traveling somewhere, you can pick it up and just go for it. So this will cost you, this will here, here. This will cost you around 2350, and the material is very soothing. Now this is the most very elegant and the unique piece of the studio, I would say, because it is a imported fabric. It has been, if you'll see from the close, it has pleats already been done, but it has been digitalized print on it.
Nice.
Yeah, if you'll see, if I'll bounce it, it will just be like, it is so light that it will get bounced.
Nice.
So this is for 3650. If you see the bag, it is very beautiful, and it will fit till double XL, 3XL as well. Now it's a dress. It's a party wear dress or the beach wear, I would say, if you want to go out with some vacation mode or something, or you are going with friends for a few days for outing and all that, you can just pick this up dress also, because it's a rayon material dress and it has a really nice print. If you can see, it has a multiple colors coming inside, and it is creating an illusion of a height again with a vertical lines, and it has a elasticated effect also on the back, so that if it will get a really nice fit on the chest area. So this is for 2150. Now this is a two-piece cord set actually, but I'll show you how it is going to be. So now this is a skirt. It's a pure cotton skirt, and this is also made from cotton itself, but it has been given a really nice effect with the balloon top.
Nice.
Now in this you can wear it from different styles also. You can just wear the top and get it mismatched with the trousers or skirts or shorts or anything, and you can wear a t-shirt and a skirt as well, so you can go both ways. So this is for 3450. Now we'll go for the short string. So if you'll see, it has really wide legged shorts. So most of the people think my thighs will look bigger and all that stuff. So what we decided, that will give the bottoms broad so that the thighs look thinner.
Nice.
And this is a free size. Anybody can wear it from M size to XXL.
Great.
Yeah, so it has a really nice look when you wear it with white shirts or black or orange or blue contrast. You can go for fully contrast shirts as well, and a t-shirts too. So this will cost you around 1350.
Nice.
So we have one more color in this. This is a lilac color, which is very in right now. Fully elasticated, fully bell bottom, really nice effects.
Nice.
So now we have a denim effect shorts. If you'll see, some of the detailings have been done over here. We have given some small pockets here. So it gives a really nice look to the shorts. We have a thin thighs. It's a very specific size for the S and M only. Big patch pockets on the back. And the cost is 1550 for this.
Nice.
Yeah, this is a trouser effect look. It's a Korean pants in simple words, if you'll see. So it's a suiting material, but we have made with two pleats so that it gives a really nice bottoms on it. If you'll see, there is an American fold in the bottom,
Yeah.
which most of the people don't get it in the retail stores.
Nice.
So it gives a really nice effect when you walk around.
Nice.
So this will cost you around 1850. We have two colors in this. One is brown and one is black. And this will be okay for S and M size, not more than that.
Okay.
So now we have one more pants I'll like to introduce. This is a linen pant. If you'll see, it has a nice strings over here so that you can adjust it according to your waistline. So this will cost you around 1750.
Nice.
But this will come for double XL to 3XL size pant only.
Okay.
And only one color is available.
Okay.
So this is a linen pants, linen stripe print pants. So this is again a fully stretchable pants. So anybody can wear it, and nowadays linens are very in and fashion. So you can go for this, and this can be okay for M, S, and LXL. I would say till XL it will be okay.
Nice.
Yeah. So this will cost you around 1750.
Is this pure linen?
No, it's not a pure linen. If you like the collection, the casual ones, the formal ones, the Indians, like everything what we have shown it to you right now, the ready to wear collection. If you like any of the thing, if you feel like you just want to visit it once, the studio is really open for you, and every time it is going to be open for you. Yeah, one more thing, we are closed on Fridays. And every time, even if you want to get an appointment, we'll mention all of the details below the
Yeah, in the video,
in the
all
video and
everything
in
will
the
be
bio
mentioned.
as
Yeah.
well. So I would really love to see you in the studio while watching this video, and if you like this video, please do come, and I would love to see you here, because we love to customize for the clients who are willing to get it by their own visions, by their own things. Ki I want to try. If you will at least try, I would say not for whole things, but at least if you'll try for once, you'll come again and again. That is for sure from my side.
So we have already shown you all the designs in this video. So if you like the designs and want to get a customized outfit that is very unique in design and one of a kind outfit, so you should definitely visit Pitasha by designer Moksha. So all the details have been put in the description below. The contact number would be running on the screen, so you can just message and get your appointment booked, and whatever any information more you want, you can just call them and ask them, and rest of the Instagram and address will be mentioned in the description below, so you can check that out also. Thank you.